This is a short video to show you some basics about Basecamp. To get to Basecamp, use a search engine and type in basecamp.com and click enter. This brings you right to the Basecamp site where you will need to log in. Go up to the right-hand corner and click on Customer Login, and this will bring you to the place where you need to log in. Type in your email address and click Next, and then type in your password and click Login. Once you're in, you'll see a page that the Launchpad that looks just like this, and the site we will be using is Minnesota Department of Health Community Health Division. Click on that, and that brings you right to our page that's called Community Engagement and Diverse Media. You will also see COVID-19 Community Coordinators Resource Hub, and I will briefly talk about that in a few minutes. For right now, if we click on Community Engagement and Diverse Media, you'll see what our page looks like. There's a message board, there's a to-do list, documents and files, there's a campfire site, and there's a schedule. The schedule has a calendar in it, and you can add events if you want to. To go back to the main page, click here. Campfire is a way to chat with people or to post messages for people. Go back. Documents and files is a place where you can upload files. I'm going to upload a file just to show you how. If you use one of these sites to keep all of your work, you can click on it. That's the link there, and you can find your files there. I'm going to upload something from my file. I'm going to upload this photograph. I'm going to click open. I'm not going to type any notes right now. It's uploading, and then it says post to the project. I posted it to the project. There is a photograph of myself. You can download it if you want a copy of it or replace it with a new version, but I don't want it to stay here, so I'm going to put it in the trash. Let's get back to community engagement and diverse media. You can set up a to-do list for yourself if you want. And we also have a message board. This is a place where you can send a message to everyone on Basecamp, or just to specific people, or just to one person. To send a message, you click the new message, type your title, type your message. If there's an event you're holding or something you want people to know about, you can type it in here. If you want to send it to all of the people on the project, you do that. But if you only want to send it to a few people, you would click here, go up here and click select no one, and then click on who you would like to send this information to. I'm not doing this right now, so I'm just going to click never mind and go back to our main page. Now I want to go back and take a look at that CCC site, because there's some important information here that will be very useful for you. If you click on this site, it'll open up and you'll see they have basically the same pages that we have. They have a message board, to-dos, and documents and files. I think you'll find this very useful. If you click on documents and files, you can see the different types of documents and files that have been uploaded here. They have event files, and then I'll go back. You can see these are all the flyers. If I click on one, here's what it looks like. You can scroll down, you can download it and use it to share with the people that you serve. Let's go back and back again. And then if you want to find some resources, you can find resources here that you can share with your community. Lots and lots of resources that have been put up in here. Some of them are old, some of them are new, but all of them are useful. Excuse me. If we go back again, there's information here about vaccinations and some other two pages that aren't really important for us right now. I want to go back to our page, so I clicked on the home button, back to community engagement, and here we're back to where we started. I encourage you all to play around, look around in Basecamp. If you have questions and are not sure how to do things, you can go down to this little question mark down here, click on it, and you will find the Basecamp guides. And there's all kinds of information in here that you can look to do. I'm going to close that right now and go back to the home page, and hopefully this was helpful to you. If you are still having difficulty, please reach out to your grant manager, who will certainly be happy to help you. Thank you.